We are at the Best Western Ramkota Hotel in Aberdeen, South Dakota. And we're staying in room 108. As you come in, have something in this hotel. But over here, we have your luggage and backpacks or grips. Over here, that door goes into the closet, and that door goes into the bathroom, which we'll show you in a little bit. This right here is a king-size bed. It's a nice bed. Very, very nice bed. Very, very nice. And we have your blanket, and we have a pillow. Very, very nice. Have your nightstand with your lamp, with your good book and the phone book, Holy Bible. And over here with your flat screen TV with the remote. Over here with your refrigerator and freezer. They're very clean. And your microwave is safe. They're very, very clean. And over here we have your desk with your telephone, with your alarm clock. A mirror. Hello. Hi. And over here with your windows, with your air conditioning unit. A little bit degrees. 72 degrees. Heating. Same as well and as well. Alright. Alright, let's go check out the closet. This is your standard hotel closet. With your iron board, with your iron, with your hangers. Alright. Let's close this up. And now we'll open this door up to the bathroom. This right here is the standard hotel bathroom. With your sink, mirror, hello! Standard hotel sink. Hot, cold, underneath the sink. The pipes, they're very, very clean. Here's a toilet. Here's a toilet. Nice for cool for flush. They're very pretty nice. Nice for flushing. They're very, very clean. And over here is a bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. Nice. Like using a water head proof. Cold, hot. All right. So let's close this door up. All right, let's take one more look. The room. So what do you think of this hotel room? This is a very nice room. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and that is all.